Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your Straight Talk mobile data suddenly stops working, you may find that websites won't load, apps can't connect, and online services become unavailable even though your phone appears to have signal. Mobile data issues can happen for several reasons, including network settings, account related concerns, temporary service interruptions, or device configuration problems. The best part is that many of these issues can be resolved with a few simple checks that only take a couple of minutes. Before contacting support, it's worth going through some basic troubleshooting steps that may restore your connection. In this video, I'll show you several things you can try to get Straight Talk data working again. Try these. Step 1. Check signal strength on the Straight Talk phone. Step 2. Toggle airplane mode on the Straight Talk phone. Step 3. Verify mobile data is enabled on the Straight Talk phone. Step 4. Inspect the SIM card in the Straight Talk phone. Step 5. Review network settings on the Straight Talk phone. Step 6. Test data service on the Straight Talk phone again.